Alright, so this question is on percentage discount. Jennifer bought storybooks and files from a bookstore during a sale. She paid a total of $93.70 and spent $5.50 more on the files than on the storybooks. She received a 20% discount on the files, which means she paid 80% for the files, right? And the total discount given for all the items was $27.10. What was the discount given for the storybooks? Part A. Part B. What was the percentage discount given for the storybooks? Now, to do this question, what we can use first is the information over here for the payments amounts. So that is $93.70 for both the files and the storybooks. So the files, we draw one box plus another $5.50. Storybooks is just one box. Why? Because she spent $5.50 more on the files than on the storybooks. Alright, and the total amount over here will be $93.70. Of course, these are all the discounted price for the files and also for the storybooks. Alright, so what we need to do is to find how much she paid for the files and also for the storybook after discount. After this discount. Okay, so we can subtract $93.70, subtract away $5.50. And this will give us $88.20. So that will remove this part. And when you take 88.20 divided by 2, you will get each of these boxes. So that will be $44.10. So over here will be $44.10. Okay, same thing over here. Alright, now the question wants to know what was the discount given for the storybooks, right? So what we can do is to use now the information on the discount. So she received 20% discount for the files, which means that $44.10 plus $5.50. $44.10 plus $5.50. Alright, let's see what that equals to. $49.60. $49.60. Now this will be the discounted price for the files. Okay, which means, remember, for the files there's a 20% discount, which means that this price right here for the files represents 80%. So we can proceed to find 20%, which is the discount given for the files. And how do we do that? Very quickly, we can just do a division of 4. Division of 4 here as well. So 49.60 divided by 4. $12.40. Alright, so this will be the discount given for the files, which means that the rest of the discount will be for the storybooks. Okay, so $27.10 is a total discount, right? Take away $12.40. $14.70 is our answer for part A. Okay, there's a discount given for the storybooks. Alright, now what was the percentage discount given for the storybooks? Now to do this part B, right, we need to know what is the original price of the storybooks. Okay, so this will be the discount for the storybooks plus the discounted price. When you add these two up together, you'll get the original price. So plus $44.10. So let's see. $58.80. This is the original cost of this storybook, and the percentage discount for the storybooks will be equals to the discount given to the storybooks divide by the original price times 100%. 14.7 divide by 58.8 times by 100%. Okay, so 14.7 divide by 58.8 times 100%, we will get an answer of 25%, which is our answer for part B.